Is your Canva slowing you down? Let's fix that in just a few minutes. Yes, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can fasten your Canva if it's just got slow you down or it's maybe lagging. So, all you have to do to ensure that your Canva is smooth, like me, let me just open an template. I am going to open this one, and it's just took me right here. If your Canva isn't working like me, then try this method. First of all, you can check it with your internet connection. Is it connected properly? Maybe you can check your speed. Like if you search on Google speed test, you can find bunch of testing website like this one, and you can check is your connection fast enough to connect your um, Canva. And also you can do what clear cache and cookies. So all you have to do, just if you are using Chrome, just go to this three tab and click on setting and search it for cache. And if you just click on delete browsing data, and all you have to do, just select this three dot and click on here delete data, and after this your cache and cookies will be deleted. Keep noted, if you choose 24 hours, it will be delete your 24 hours data, and if you choose 4 weeks, last 4 week all time, whatever you choose, that is specifically that data will be deleted from your browser. And another note is, if you save your password in here, it will be also be deleted, so make sure check on that also. And in the problem, if your problem still now facing, if you are facing that problem still now, just use another browser like Google, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, whatever you find you preferred. And another thing you can do, if you just noticed you have opened a lot of tab, just close it. It will be give you a smooth speed. If you feel still now that issue, another solution can be use your data connection, mobile data connection, and share the hotspot from your mobile and connect it with your laptop, and let's check is it working or not. The last solution is using VPN. If all of the solution you have tried and not get any result, so just use VPN. In this way you can solve your slow lagging Canva. So that's it for today. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments. And if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Stay tuned.